Hi there, welcome to this channel. The word for today is derogatory. Derogatory. The stress is on the second syllable, so you'd say derogatory. Derogatory is an adjective which means showing a critical or disrespectful attitude. How can we use this word in sentences? Let's have a look at it. Derogatory comments come right back where they belong. Number 2. The points I have made are not derogatory towards these excellent organizations. The synonyms for derogatory are fault-finding, detracting, analytical, belittling, biting, calumniatory, etc. While the antonyms would be complimentary, appreciative, favorable, flattering, and praising, etc. Now that you have learned a new word, so you have to use it, otherwise you may lose it. So make a sentence of your own and make a comment in the comment sections below. Thank you for watching.